Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. Actually, today's video is based on relation and the solution of exercise 2.2 from class 11th maths NCERT. Okay, in our last video I am explaining you Cartesian product, and in this video I will explain you relation. Okay, so before start the topic, please subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet, and please like and share as much as possible. Okay, so now we are starting our topic. Today's topic is relation. Okay, so what is a relation? If we have two non-empty sets A and B, if we have two non-empty sets A and B, then a relation R from A to B is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. In our last video I am explaining you the Cartesian product. Okay, so the subset of that Cartesian product set is called the relation from A to B, and this relation is derived by some relationship between first element of relation of the set A and the second element of the relation set B. Okay, so the relationship between the first element of set A and the second element of set B. Okay, so I am explaining again what is the relation. The relation R is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay, and the first elements of the relation is called the domain, and the second elements का जो set होगा उसे हम बोलेंगे range. Okay, so what is the domain? The domain, the set of all first elements, the set, we are using the word set. The word set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R from A to B is called the domain. So always remember the first elements from the ordered pair, उनको हमें set में combine करना है, and that set is called the domain. Okay, now the next topic is range. The set of all second elements of the ordered pair in a relation. Relation का जो second वाला जो pair का second element होता है उनका हमें एक set बनाना है, and that set is called the range. Okay, now we start our exercise. Exercise 2.2 is based on, so now we are start our second exercise based on relation. The first question is, let capital A is equals to 1 2 3 dot 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 14. That means all digits from 1 to 14 is in this set. Okay, define a relation R from A to A by capital R is equals to xy, where relation between x and y is 3x minus y is equals to 0, where xy belongs to A, because here both sets are A to A. Okay, no second sets is present here. We are using our relation from A to A. Write down its domain and range. Okay, so first we construct our all elements for a relation. Here we have A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Okay, now here relation कैसे बनना है? relation कैसे बनना है? A to A. That means we are using the values for x and y from A. Okay, now we are construct our relation. We have the relation between x and y is 3x minus y. Then we can put 3x minus y is equal to 0. That means y is equals to 3x. Now we are putting the values of x and find the values of y, and x y belongs to A. Okay, remember it. If we put x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 3. If we put x is equal to 2, then y is equals to 6. If we put x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 9. If we put x is equals to 4, then y is equals to 12. If we put x is equals to 5, then y is equals to 15, which does not belongs to A. ये y में A में belong नहीं करता है, तो हम इसको leave कर देंगे. Okay, so our relation is ready. Relation is equals to, first relation is 1 3. Okay, second relation is 2 6. Third relation is 3 9, and last relation is 4 12. This is the relation from A to A. Okay, now in question we are find its domain and range. As I am telling you, what is the domain? Domain is the set of all first elements from ordered pair. So here the first elements are 1 2 3 and 4, and the set of these elements is called the domain. Okay, so the domain is 1 2 3 4. okay, and the set of all second elements is called range. Hence the range is equals to the set, so we are using braces, okay, the set of second elements. So elements is 3, 6, 9 and 12, okay. These are our answers, okay. Now move on question number second. Question number second is define a relation R on the set capital N. Capital N means set of all natural numbers, okay. By R is equals to xy, y is equals to x plus 5. This is the foundation for this relation. Y is equals to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. So less than 4 natural numbers कौन से होंगे? 1, 2 and 3. Depict the relationship using roster form. हमें अपने रिलेशन को रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है एंड आफ्टर दैट राइट डाउन द डोमेन एंड रेंज, ओके. सो वी स्टार्ट आवर सॉल्यूशन. Actually define a relation on the set of natural number, okay. So set of natural number is start from 1, 2, 3 dot 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 dot, okay. Now we construct our relation. R is equals to 4xy. Here y is equals to x plus 5, okay. And here is a foundation that x is a natural number less than 4. That means x is equals to क्या हो सकता है? 1, 2 and 3 less than 4. So y is equals to at 1 y is equals to 6. At 2 y is equals to 7 and at 3 y is equals to 8. So our relation is ready. First relation is 1, 6, okay. Second relation is 2, 7 and third relation is 3 and 8, okay. This is our relation, okay. This is already in roster form because in roster form we are using digits to represent any set, okay. Now we are find the domain and range. What is domain? As I am telling you, the first element of every ordered pair is bounded in a set, then it is called a domain. So the set of all first elements. So first elements are 1, 2, 3, okay. And the range, what is the range? The set of all second elements. So here second elements are 6, 7 and 8. So range is 6, 7 and 8 answers, okay. Now move on question number third. Question number third is A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equals to 4, 6 and 9. These are two non-empty sets. Define a relation R from A to B by R is equals to xy, where xy is related to each other. The difference between x and y is odd. Difference between x and y is odd. Remember it. X belongs to A, x is the element of this and y is the element of B, okay. So write the R in roster form, okay. Now we start our relation. रिलेशन कैसे डिफाइन है ये यहाँ पे? दैट मीन्स x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू ओड वैल्यू आनी चाहिए, ओके. वैल्यू कैसे आनी चाहिए? ओड, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट रिलेशन इज एंड फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज रिलेट टू ए. सो ए के एलिमेंट्स कौन के? ए का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट लेना है. इफ़ वी आर यूजिंग 1 तो 1 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3 आएगा, दैट इज ओड, ओके. 1 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5, इट इज़ ऑल्सो ओड. 1 माइनस 9 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 8, दिस इज एन इवन वैल्यू. सो हम इसको छोड़ देंगे. हमारी दो वैल्यूज़ आ गई 1 के साथ, ओके. नाउ विद 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2, this is even, so we leave it, okay. 2 minus 6 is equals to minus 4, this is also even, so leave it. 2 minus 9 is equals to minus 7, which is odd, we are taking it, okay. Now next 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1, odd, take it. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3, odd, we also take it. 3 minus 9 is equals to minus 6, even, so we leave it, okay. Now next 5 minus 4 is equals to 1, which is odd, so we take it. 5 minus 6 is equals to minus 1, which is also odd, so we take it. And 5 minus 9 is equals to minus 4, which is an even number, so we leave it, okay. So our relations is first relation is equals to, first relation क्या आ गया हमारा? 1 minus 4, that means 1, 4. Second relation is 1, 6. थर्ड रिलेशन, इसको हमें छोड़ना है. नेक्स्ट इज 2 minus 9, दैट मीन्स 2 9. उसके बाद 3 minus 4, उसके बाद 3 6, सो 3 6. नेक्स्ट 3 9. 3 9 हमें नहीं लेना है, सॉरी 3 9 वी आर नॉट टेकिंग 3 9. नेक्स्ट ओड नंबर वाला लेना है बस हमें. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1, so 5 and 4, okay, and 5 and 6, and now we are closing in braces. So the relation R is equals to 1 4 1 6 2 9 3 4 3 6 5 4 5 6, because the difference of these numbers are odd. Okay, so this is our answer. Now move on question number 4. Okay, question number 4, the figure shows a relationship. This figure shows a relationship. Okay, so we are write here relation in roster form and set elder form. देखो first we are write a roster form. Roster form that means रिलेशन को रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो देखिए ये डायरेक्ट लिखा जाएगा. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बन जाएगा हमारे ऑर्डर पेयर का और सेकंड एलिमेंट सेकंड. तो रोस्टर फॉर्म में कैसे हो जाएगा, ये फर्स्ट पेयर होगा 5 3, सेकंड पेयर इज 6 4 एंड थर्ड पेयर इज 7 5. एंड नाउ वी आर क्लोज्ड इन ब्रेसेस. ओके, नाउ वी आर यूजिंग इट set builder form. Set builder form means the language form. Okay, so if we are using language for this, then we can write it R is equals to xy, where x is the first element and y is the second element. Here we are seeing देखो 5 is equals to 5 minus 2, that means the second element is 2 less than from first. Okay, here we are seeing that second element is 2 less than from first. Okay, so we are using here y is equals to x minus 2, y3 is equals to 5 minus 2, 6 is equals to 4 minus 2, and 5 is equals to 7 minus 2. Okay, where for x is equals to 5 6 and 7, because यहाँ bounded है condition. Okay, now the domain for this set, domain is the set of all first elements, so domain is 5 6 and 7, and the range is 3 4 and 5. Okay, now move on next question number 5. Question number 4 is complete. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, let A is equals to 1 2 3 4 and 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by AB. AB belongs to A because this is the relation from A to A. B exactly divided by A. B is exactly divided by A. So here we remember that all digits are divided by itself also. Okay, so when we will write it in roster form, then we are using 1 1, because here 1 is divided by 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 6 6, because every number is divisible by itself also. Okay, now next number is 1 is divided all elements, so 1 2, because 2 is divisible by A, 1 3 1 4 1 6. Okay, now for 2, which numbers are divisible by 2? 4 and 6 only, so 2 4 and 2 6. Okay, now we are for 3, which number is divisible by 3? 6 only, so 3 6. This is our roster form for the relation. Okay, now we are find the domain. What is the domain? The set of all first elements of order pair. So the elements of first order set is 1 2 3 4. Okay, in a set any element is not repeated. Okay, so 1 यूज हो चुका है 6. Okay, उसके बाद हमें किसी भी डिजिट को रिपीट नहीं करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर ए सेट दैट नो रिपीटेशन अलाउड इन सेट. Okay, now third part is find the range of R. What is range? Range is the set of all second elements of the relation. Okay, so the range is 1 all second elements 1 2 3 4 6, फिर 2 3 4 6 4 6 3. Here we are not repeat any digits, so we are using 1 2 3 4 and 6 only. Okay, so here domain and range are equal for this question only. Okay, now we move on question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation capital R defined by. Okay, the relation is defined by first element is x, then second element is x plus 5, and x belongs to 0 to 5. Okay, so if we are taking 0, then second element is 0 plus 5. If we are taking 1, then second element is 1 plus 5. If we are taking 2, then second element is 2 plus 5. If we are taking 3, then second element is 3 plus 5. If we are taking 4, the second element is 4 plus 5. And if we are taking 5, then second element is 5 plus 5. Okay, so here we construct our relation capital R is equals to 0 5. This is our first relation. Second relation is 1 6. Third relation is 2 7. Fourth relation is 3 8. Fifth relation is 4 9. And last relation is 5 10. Here is no foundation for second element. Okay, so what is the domain and range for this? Domain is equals to 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and what is the range for this relation? Range is equal to the set of all second elements, to 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, now move on question number 7. Question number 7 is write the relation R is equals to x cube, where x is a prime number less than 10. So what is the value of x for less than 10? Prime number. What are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are number which is divisible by 1 and only itself. Okay, no other number can divide it prime numbers. So x is equals to less than 10. So x is equals to 2 3 5 7. Only these 4 numbers is less than 4. Okay, so if we construct our relation R is equals to, if we are taking first element is 2, then second element is cube of 2. If we are taking 3, then second element is cube of 3. If we are taking 5, then second element is cube of 5. And if we are taking 7, then second element is cube of 7. Okay, so our relation is ready. Relation is 2 cube of 2 is equals to 8, 3 cube of 3 is equals to 27, 5 cube of 5 is equals to 125, 7 and cube of 7 is equals to 343. Okay, so this is our relation for question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Capital A is equals to XYZ, and given that B is equals to 1 2, then find the number of relation from A to B. How many number of relation from A to B? So for this we are having a formula A to B. If we are making a Cartesian product from A to B, then we are having the numbers A cross B is equals to Mn. Here M is equals to 3 and N is equals to number of elements in B is equals to 2. That means number of elements in A cross B is equals to 6. So for this number of relations is equals to formula is for this is equals to 2 to the power n. So here our number of relations are 2 to the power 6. Okay, this is your answer. Now the last question for this exercise is question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by capital R is equals to AB, where AB belongs to integers. Okay, so A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of capital R. Capital R means real numbers and capital Z means a set of all integers. Okay, so here we are taking some examples, like if we are taking 1, okay, for all integers, so the value what are the integers? The all values negative, positive with 0 which we can locate on number line, that called are integers. Okay, that is called integers. So here 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 all numbers are integers. So difference of there is also integers, where is it is positive or negative, no matter. Okay, doesn't matter this. So here the डोमेन एंड रेंज क्या होगी सबकी, बिकॉज रियल नंबर से हमने इंटीजर्स लिया है. सो द डोमेन ऑफ दिस सेट इज़ ऑल्सो इंटीजर्स, बिकॉज हमें इंटीजर्स वैल्यू ही लेनी है. एंड ऑल्सो द रेंज ऑफ दिस रिलेशन इज ऑल्सो द सेट ऑफ ऑल इंटीजर्स, बिकॉज a b belongs to integers. Okay, and here no limits for integers. So domain and range is equals to the set of all integers. Okay, this is the last question of this exercise, and with this question we are finished our second exercise. So do it with the help of this video. Okay, in this exercise I am explaining you relation with your second exercise solutions. Okay, so do it with the help of this video, and please subscribe this channel if not subscribed yet. Okay, and like and share as much as possible so others also can take benefits from my channel. Thank you.